Hello guys, welcome again to math session with Mr. M, and today we are dealing with grade number 12 and we are going to touch on the equation of the tangent circle. So we are having a circle, a tangent which is xy with the point P and the center O. So we are looking for the equation of that line which is a tangent right there. So the first thing is that we know about two perpendicular lines with this line OP and line xy, they are perpendicular. So we must find the gradient first, which is we are given only one point, which is that one, and we have a point at the origin. We know that it's 0 and 0. So the formula for the gradient would be the gradient is y2 minus y1 over x2 minus xy. So we have our O and our P. So these are the points that we are going to substitute on our gradient right there. So let's go and substitute. We substitute O, which is basically the y on the P, which is 3, subtracted by the 0 here, and the x that is there on P, which is the 4 minus the O that is here. So we are having a gradient that is 3 over 4 for this line perpendicular to the tangent that we want right there. So we have now our gradient. What should we do? So we know very well that when it comes to two perpendicular lines, we know that their gradient, when they multiply together, they must give us a product of a negative number, which is -1. So this line OP, when you multiply it with the line XY, it must always give you the negative number, which is 1. So if we are having a gradient that is on OP, which is the one that we calculated, the 3 over 4, when we multiply that number, we multiply it with the vice versa number, which is negative, so that we can get our -1 as the rule says. So by default, mxy, the gradient of xy, becomes a -4 over 3. So we have a gradient for the line that we want the equation for. So we know the equation of a line that it is y is equal to mx plus c. So we already have a gradient, which is our m, and therefore we go and substitute our m right there on that one, which is -4 over 3x plus c, and then there's a y. But there's a problem on this equation of this line. It's the c. We do not have the constant. So we must find the constant, and finding the constant is using the point lying on the line that we want the gradient for, which is p. So we take the same p, we substitute it on x and y, so that we can find our constant. So our y is 3 is equal to -4 over 3, and x is 4, which is plus c. So this one, which is 16 over 3, it goes to the other side of the equal sign, becomes positive, and then we have a 16 over 3 on this side, and we are left with only c on that side. So when you sum this together, you should be getting a number that is c. Our c becomes 25 over 3. So the equation of this line now, we have a c, we have an m, so we have discovered the equation of the line to be y is equal to, our m is -4 over 3 plus 4 over 3x plus the 25 over 3 that we just discovered. So the equation of the line xy is that we have sorted right there. So that's all from Mr. M. Have a wonderful day and a great evening. God bless you. Bye-bye.